Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As I was saying, I'm now using the lapel mic to record this video. Just unbox that right now. This is the unboxing package that I use to record the lapel mic. I'm going to show you that in the next video. Right in this video. So we have the lapel mic customization packaging from Jumia. You can see it like this. It's pretty good. I don't know how the mic sounds. It's down here. Can you hear it clearly? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. So this is it. The next product I'm going to be unboxing, as I told you before, is this universal clip lens. This is how it looks like. Clip lens for Android device. You can take good photos with your Android device. I'm going to do an unboxing of that as well. So you have to stay tuned to that. This is how it looks like, how it comes in the package. Something like this. Universal clip lens. It works for both Android and iOS devices. What is the purpose of it? Some people will ask. So the purpose of this clip lens itself, right here, this is the lens cover for this is the fisheye lens cover for it, and the macro and the wide angle lens cover the lens itself. So they did very well in the packaging, and they gave us a very good backpack to keep the lenses itself. So that's all in the package of this. I'm going to put this somewhere there. So let's unbox this first, show you what it looks like. This is how it is. I'm going to do a testing video as well. How the lens looks later on. So here, right here, you have the fisheye lens. I'm going to put it on so you can see how it looks like right now. Fisheye lens itself. Very good lens for Android devices. Now, you're gonna see how it looks. So it's now. Can you see any difference? I don't know. Let me check right here. See, I think there's a slight difference in the camera quality. Getting a little bit down, and you can see everywhere in a circular form. I think I was to switch this light off, you'll be able to see the camera very clearly. But I can bend down and you can see me very well in circular form. This is somehow a kind of lens that you can use for maybe vlogging and streaming, maybe to Zoom, to WhatsApp calls, different calls, maybe iTunes or Twitch. So you can see the wide angle fisheye lens. So this is the cover for it right here. Nice cover. I'm going to pull it out now so you can see. I'm going to add the wide angle lens so you guys can see. Nice cover for the fisheye lens. Because okay, the wide angle lens itself. Wide angle lens is the addition of the macro lens and the wide angle lens. So again, both together. You can see the names on. See, it's somewhere there. I don't know if you can see them. But in order for you to use it, you're gonna have to unscrew this lens and unscrew. You have to unscrew the fisheye lens, as you can see. You unscrew it, and you add. You have to unscrew the lens and add it like this. Now it's added, so I'm going to put this fisheye lens, I'm going to put the wide angle lens on the camera and see how wide it is right here. Do you guys see any difference? Let's see. It's a little bit wide, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit wide. This is very preferable. So now guys, we are shooting on the wide angle lens now. I don't know how it syncs, so we're in 4 minutes in the video. Shooting on the wide angle lens. This is the backpack for it. I'll snap those things, the lens covers in just like this. Simple. So guys, we're already almost at the end of the video. Now this video right here is going to show you how you can make this use of this lens itself. The video right here, you're gonna learn how to use this lens to take good photos, macro photos, and close-up shots like this, as well as I've taken my Instagram. I have a new Instagram. You need to follow that right now at links right here. So I make some good photographs, take some good videos, my thumbnails right here, how I take use of them, how I make my YouTube videos somehow for that channel, for that new Instagram. So you can follow me there, so I can give you some tips and tricks on how to make use of that as well. I'm streaming on the lapel mic. Before the end of the video, I'm going to show you, but I'm going to go on an unboxing video of how it looks like as well, of all these things as well. You understand? So this is just like a review of how it is, how it sounds, how it looks like exactly, especially the lens itself. It's what is written on the lens cap, the lens cover. This is what is written there. Closer look. Lens itself, we're shooting on a wide angle lens, as I told you before. So before now to end this video, let me move it and see how close it looks like now. Can you see a little bit close? So thank you for watching this video, and next time we're gonna do a new video on how it looks and how it feels to use the lens as well to take good photos and macro shots as well. So see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in more future videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.